Hello everyone. Today we discuss the part 34 of the NEET quiz important questions. Today we discuss or continue the questions that were left in the previous video of ours of the nerves of the upper limb. So we'll continue over here. So first try to answer the questions by yourself first. Lumbricals are supplied by which nerve? They are supplied by the median and the ulnar nerve. Palmar and the dorsal interossei are supplied by which nerve? They are supplied by the ulnar nerve. Which muscles are supplied by the ulnar nerve in the forearm? So flexor carpi ulnaris and the FDP medial half are supplied by the ulnar nerve in the forearm. Which joints are supplied by the ulnar nerve? So elbow joint, intercarpal joints and the carpometacarpal joints. Which nerve is called as the musician's nerve? It is the ulnar nerve. Cubital tunnel syndrome is due to the entrapment of which nerve? Ulnar nerve. Ulnar nerve may be compressed at posterior to the medial epicondyle or at the wrist between the pisiform or at the groove below the hook of hamate bone. Which is the largest nerve in the upper limb? It is the radial nerve. What is the root value of the radial nerve? C5 to T1 dorsal branches. It is formed by the posterior cord of the brachial plexus. What is the relation of the radial nerve to the third part of the axillary artery? So radial nerve is posterior to the third part of the axillary artery, so having the posterior relation over here. Radial nerve in the axilla is related posteriorly to subscapularis, latissimus dorsi and the teres major muscle. Radial nerve enters into the spiral groove by passing between which two heads of the triceps brachii? So long and the medial head of the triceps brachii. The radial nerve along with the profunda brachii artery runs in a spiral groove between which two heads of the triceps brachii? So between the lateral and the medial heads of the triceps brachii. So don't get confused over here between these two questions. Over here previously it was written that the radial nerve enters into the spiral groove by passing between the long and the medial head of the triceps brachii muscle. While in the next question it is written that radial nerve run along with the profunda brachii artery in the spiral groove. Okay, so over here it is running between the lateral and the medial head of the triceps. Okay, previously it was entering. Okay, and over here it is running. Okay. Now next is the radial nerve in the middle of the arm pierces which intermuscular septum? It pierces the lateral intermuscular septum and enters the anterior compartment of the arm. Radial nerve leaves the arm anterior to lateral condyle between which muscles? Between the brachialis medially and the brachioradialis with extensor carpi radialis longus lateral. Okay. Radial nerve divides into superficial and the deep branches at anterior to the lateral epicondyle of the humerus. Posterior interosseous nerve enters the posterior compartment of the forearm by passing through deep and the superficial set of the supinator. Before piercing the supinator, radial nerve supplies which muscles? It supplies extensor carpi radialis and the supinator muscle. Short branches of the posterior interosseous nerve supplies which muscle? It supplies the extensor digitorum, extensor digiti minimi and the extensor carpi ulnaris. Ulnar collateral nerve in the axilla is a branch from radial nerve. Ulnar nerve in the spiral groove gives branches to lateral and the medial head of the triceps and the anconeus muscle. Radial nerve in the axilla gives which branches? So in the axilla it gives posterior cutaneous nerve of arm to the long and the medial head of the triceps. The radial nerve supplies elbow joint through which nerves? Through its which branches? Through nerve to the medial head of triceps. Branches given by the radial nerve in the spiral groove are which branches? Posterior cutaneous nerve of forearm, lower lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm and the articular branches to the elbow joint. Which nerve is involved in the Saturday night palsy? So it is the radial nerve. Nerve to subclavius supplies which joint? So it supplies the sternoclavicular joint and the acromioclavicular joint. Suprascapular nerve supplies which joint? It supplies acromioclavicular joint. So today up till here, we will discuss about the further important notes and questions of further important topics in our next video. Thank you so much.